Hello guys, I have to talk with you. I can't believe how bad my views are, and I don't know what you want to see. I deliver the best content which I can create. If you look at the last video, I published it 4 days ago and it just got 5 views. And there is no algorithm or something like that. It is just the audience which didn't like my video at all. And you have to imagine I have a full-time job. I spend all of my time with doing my groceries, cleaning the house, and edit my videos. I'm a one-person company. I can't compare against Mr. Beast with his whole team. It is not possible. And if you look, the click-through impression is at 0.3%. It is nothing. And as well, the average view duration, it means 6 seconds. You can do a lot of other stuff in 6 seconds, if you understand what I mean. But if you look at my content and look at my past views, it is nothing. And I don't understand what else you want. I don't want to get into the entertainment business and entertain you, because what I want to do is deliver the best information and the best content which is available all over the world. And here we have a comparison. This is a video which an editor created for me, and it made around 40 views, which is as well not that lot, but in my channel and with my audience it should be a lot, because this was the best performing video overall. It was a test with Google VO3 when it came out, and I created a way to get it very cheap. So I tested it and I'm not happy with the result. So for me, currently, there is no AI which create videos like a video editor, because you can choose what exactly you want. And no AI in this world is able to do it right now. And Google VO3 and Google Flow are currently the best on the market, and they're still not that good. So I will just continue with the videos that I'm doing, and I hope one day it will blow up. Otherwise, I don't know why I spend so much hours times into that. It should be my hobby, but overall I see other people, and you should never compare yourself with others. But overall, if you see others what they're able to do in 1 year, you got really sad. I don't want to search out the video and I don't care about it. But this guy just met Nico, a famous YouTuber in London. His son's wish, which had cancer, was to get 100 subs on YouTube, and he gained it just with meeting a person. So the right timing with the right person could change everything. And I don't want to be rude, but his videos are not good at all. He's very sympathetic and I like him, even without knowing him at all. But his videos are not delivering any entertainment, really entertainment, and as well a lot of input which could change your life. And I don't understand how other people get so successful while I deliver, for my opinion, good content overall, in which I document my story. And I know one day, if I get a couple of millions in my Interactive Broker account, you will see the whole video differently. And I never wanted to do a video like this, but right now is a moment in which I don't understand how people getting out so bad videos with such, I don't want to say anything bad, but they upload things where you don't get any value of it. I don't know, and how it's entertaining people, I don't understand it. But what I want to tell you is, I had a company meeting and we talked a lot about crypto and all the stuff. And you can see here my Interactive Broker account. This is the real true story. You can see it with your own eyes. I got in almost 1 year over 15,236 of investment value, and just my unrealized profit and loss, and this could change as well very quick, because nobody can predict the future, is with 1,731 in a profit. You have just to imagine if you could have 100,000, it would be 10,000 in profit. If you had 1 million, you would have 100,000 in profit. And if you had 10 million, you would gain 1 million in average in profit, just because of the 10% which you make in return in a long term. And this is insane, because if you have 10 million on your Interactive Broker account, you could easily live with this 10 million without even breaking it down your whole life. And this is something which I want to gain over my life. Life is too short to work for somebody else and do that for the rest of your life. You have to imagine waking up every day, work for someone else, and don't get the time freedom and do things which you really want to do. And for me, it is right now traveling. We had just right now a guy who worked 41 years for this company where I work for. You have to imagine 41 years. Others are really old and they are 41 years. So I don't want to work so long for a company and don't get compensated that much. And everything that I tell you and show you could change in a couple of years. But overall, this is the safest investment because these are my strong long-term investments. And I have as well the S&P 500. And I don't have to check regularly the news and read a lot about the stocks because if you invest in the S&P 500, you don't care which company is right now in trouble and which not. And right now we have ASML in trouble. And they are just honest about the next 1 or 2 years because of the tariff situation with Donald Trump. And they don't know how to predict the future and tell that all the stakeholders. And the stakeholders start to sell their stocks in ASML. Do you really want to read inside of all the news and inside of all the company situations and how much they sell and what is the profit? I don't have time for that. I don't know about you, but I try to hold a couple of single stocks to push my starting investments to gain value and invest even more into the S&P 500. And the S&P 500, my goal is just to reach around 60 to 100k, and after that switching my ETF and maybe another broker to push it as well, because I want to spread a lot of accounts and gain value out of it and don't want to work until I retire. I don't want to do that, and I don't as well want to retire very early with a little bit of money. I really want to be sure that my money will hold until I'm not here anymore. So if we continue, we have a lot of things which could change. And right now we have Donald Trump. You saw my investments was around 15,000 in total with stocks and ETFs. And my investments into crypto gained a new all-time high. And I don't want to show you that anymore because the reason for that is if I show you that, you will copy my strategy. And with crypto, I can't tell you if this is the right decision or not. But what I know is I'm still in the starting point of my investment career and I invest for myself really huge numbers. And crypto is nothing safe. You see, right now we are on a fear and greed index of 70. And I think this is not up to date. I think it's even more. All the people are just trying to reach out a little bit of profit and try to short a couple of crypto and coins. And I'm not one of these guys. My goal is to buy crypto, put it to a hardware wallet and just wait and look what will happen. And right now, I have to be honest, my crypto is pushing insane. I bought it in the dip and I don't want to speak big about it, but it realized almost the same amount which my 15k in ETFs and stocks did. I try to get better overall, but what I can tell you is my goal was this year to gain over 20,000 in network. And I can tell you now, we have July 2025 and I already got the goal. I don't know what will happen in the next couple of months or with a new president in the States. Maybe the next president is not positive on crypto and make a lot of new rules because Trump make it really easy and stopped a lot of investigation and rules against crypto. And he as well earned a lot with crypto. Guys, hopefully this time you got a lot of value out of my video and you liked it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich